Okay, let's review how to access Clever. So Clever is a program that is actually like a home for all of the district and school apps that we use. So through Clever, you can go to Benchmark, you can get into IXL, you can get into Skies. So it's just an easy way for you to access all of the programs that we use at our school for distance learning. So the first step is going to be to go to clever.com/in/LAUSD. It's important that you have the in/LAUSD because if you just go to clever.com, you're going to have a hard time being able to access it. So when you log in, you're going to see Los Angeles Unified School District at the top, and you have two options for how to log in. The first option is to use your single sign-on, which is the email address and password that you use to log into your computer. So you can type that in and sign in that way. An easier way might be to use a Clever badge. So your child's teacher might have sent home a Clever badge for them to use to log into Clever. If you don't have a Clever badge, you can ask your teacher, or as always, if you should definitely have their single sign-on, which you can use to sign in this way. So to use your Clever badge, you would click Clever Badge Login. You might get a message in the top left corner asking you to allow access to the camera. So if you don't see anything, that might be what you need to do. So you might need to find out how to give access to the camera. But I will show you what a Clever badge looks like. And you're simply going to place this Clever badge up to your camera so that the camera can read the QR code, and then it will log you in. Now, once you are logged in, you might see some favorite resources, but the most important thing is your teacher pages. So you're going to look for your teacher's name, and you're going to click on their class page. Now, you're going to see all of the apps or programs that your teacher might be using with you for your distance learning. So this is where you can access Benchmark, Skies, Google Classroom, IXL, everything is here. And for many of these applications, you're not going to have to log in again. It will automatically take you straight in and you will automatically already be logged in. So that's how you access your teacher page.